So right now we are inside the actual Barcelona museum, and right now I'm actually going down the stairs, and these are the same stairs that the players take when they're gonna go out to the field. Hey Bombshell, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be taking you to Camp Nou in Barcelona, Spain. I am going to give you a full tour of the stadium inside and outside. Then I am going to be taking you to my bathroom in the hotel, and I'm going to be showing you how I do my makeup when I'm traveling. And then after that, we are going to go for dinner. So stick around and subscribe if you haven't. I stayed at the Hyatt Regency Barcelona Tower, and it is just an amazing hotel. Let me show you guys the room. It is incredible. Take a look at my breakfast. I had pancakes, eggs, potatoes, bacon, and kiwi. I love kiwi. In case you guys don't know, Camp Nou actually stands for New Field. When you first go in, you have to buy your tickets, very important, and then you are going to go through this line, they are going to check you, and then you're gonna go inside. So as you guys can see, there are so many trophies. There's an entire room dedicated to just awards and memorabilia. They have old jerseys, old shoes, and just items that make the Barcelona team what it is today.
A few inches later.
This is another section that they're gonna take you to. As you guys can see, Sandy is a lot better than I am. At soccer, I gave it my best shot, but soccer is not my sport.
Oh God, honey, no.
When I tell you guys that they're going to give you a full tour of this stadium, I mean everything. They're going to show you the lounges, then they're going to show you the media rooms, then they are going to show you the lockers. You are going to get to see everything. So right now we are inside the actual Barcelona museum, and right now I'm actually going down the stairs. And these are the same stairs that the players take when they're gonna go out to the field. So that's really, really exciting, guys. So hey, let's go. And I'm on the field. Oh my God, it's so surreal. This is my view from down here.
A few moments later.
So this is the stadium from upstairs, and it is just incredible. And towards the end, they're going to let you take a picture with their latest trophy, but keep in mind that you have to pay for this picture. You cannot take a picture with your phone.
It's really magical because this stadium is famous all over the world, and just the fact of being here is a blessing. It's freezing. Oh my God.
What really happened on that Thursday here at Augusta High School that led to Chris Wood's death?
And so as our day came to an end, it was actually freezing in Barcelona. A huge tip is if you're gonna go during the winter, make sure to take your best coat because it is so cold. It was in the 40s that day. And now I'm taking you back to the hotel so that you can see how I get ready for dinner, and then we're gonna go for dinner. So to start, same thing, I am going to moisturize my face, and I am going to use Clinique's Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Skin feels so dry because it's so cold. Next, I am going to mix my Neutrogena Age Shield with the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. For foundation, this is the foundation I brought. This is Forever by Christian Dior. The concealer I'm using is by Becca. And then I am going to go in also with the Amazing Cosmetics concealer. Okay. face, so I'm just gonna dab the concealer underneath my eyes. Also, I am going to prime with the Primer Potion by Urban Decay. So for this look, I am going to be using Huda Beauty's Gemstone Obsessions. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to apply the purple in the middle. Now I'm gonna go in with the shimmery one, which is this one on the side. So it looks a little bit like that. Eyebrows are done. Now I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna get the color Prosecco, is it Champagne Pop? Prosecco Pop. It's the one that comes in this palette by Jaclyn Hill. For powder, I am going to be using this by Urban Decay. It was sent to me in a PR box. This is called the Translucent Pressed Beauty Powder. I don't want to go in with a pink, so I'm gonna grab the contour blush in this palette. For the lips, I'm going to use by Urban Decay Snitch. And then I am going to apply Midnight Cowgirl over it just because I like gloss. Wait, where am I going? Forgot mascara. So for mascara, I'm going to be using the Luminous Curved Brush by L'Oreal.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
This is the paella that we're having. Honestly, in my opinion, I think that food overseas tastes so different than in the States. I don't know why. And I mean this in the best way possible. If you share the same thought, then leave a comment. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. I am going to be uploading many more videos, so if you haven't subscribed, now is the time to do so. I upload beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and travel content, which I know you will love. Please subscribe before you go and ring the bell so that you can be notified of next week's upload. I'll catch you next time. Bye.